Quack, 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 quack.
Stop, Doobop. No more quack, quack.
All right. I found it at the Cloud Park.
Why did you bring it?
Well, we can live together.
No way.
Please, Doobie, please.
No, the duck has no friends here, and we don't even have a pond.
Oh, I know, but...
It's for the duck. You need to put it back where you found it, okay, Doobop?
Oh, fine. I am sorry, Duck. We can't live together.
Doobop seems really sad. Ooh, what did you say, Mr. Jukebox? Ah, let's make a song for Doobop.
Yes.
Okay. Let's make it before Doobop comes back. Doobie Doobop Music Factory.
Kids English School.
Kids